This is CNN Breaking News.
Civil danger for Manhattan. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the New York County Emergency Management. At 2:34 p.m. Eastern Time, 3 meteors were detected to strike Manhattan. Previous warning you have just heard is a hoax. Please do not follow the instructions in the alert. This is only a test.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Manhattan County Police Department. Numerous calls regarding unknown creatures attacking civilians were received. Due to this, all civilians are required to shelter in place immediately. Close all entrances and barricade all windows and doors. If you have a basement, make your way over there as quickly as possible. It is unknown why these creatures attack civilians, but it is highly recommended to remain calm during these times. Tune into local media outlets for more information regarding the situation.
Just in case my car goes off the highway, or the plane that I get on decides that it's my last day, I want you to know when you're alone and you feel
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Manhattan Emergency Management. Evacuate now. Failure to comply with this order will result in certain death. The situation regarding the unknown creatures has worsened, and they are confirmed to be hostile. All civilians are required to evacuate as silently as possible as these creatures are attracted to sound. These creatures are confirmed to avoid any form of water. Due to this, evacuation will be by sea. The evacuation routes are as follows: West Street, New York, New York 100.
Event type is natural. For Toronto, residents in a 100-mile radius are requested to evacuate the area due to a meteorite that was detected heading for Toronto. Grab food, water, medical supplies, a first aid kit, and important documents. The meteor is expected to hit within the next 15 minutes.
Event type is civil. For Ontario, sheltering in place is requested as numerous calls regarding unknown creatures attacking civilians were received. It is not known what these creatures look like or their behavior. Please close all doors, windows, seal all cracks, and barricade all entrances. It is highly requested that civilians do not evacuate, as these creatures may make evacuation difficult. Stay tuned for more information regarding this dangerous situation.
By Assistant Commissioner Edwards. There will be a question and answer period. Corporal Sanga is available.
Event type is admin. For all of Canada, the situation regarding the creatures in Ontario has now worsened. These creatures have been named Death Angels by emergency management, and they will likely continue to spread into all of Canada for the unforeseeable future. It is recommended to gather loved ones and live your last moments in peace. If you wish to attempt survival, please follow these instructions. Do not make any noise that is under 50 decibels. Remain as quiet as possible. These creatures have a strong exoskeleton, and it is currently not known if they can be killed. This message will now conclude.
Trick or treat! Trick or treat!
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Manhattan government. A few hours ago, the police force was overrun by the creatures, and it is highly likely that the government will collapse in the coming hours. Evacuate the area immediately, no matter how difficult it may be. Evacuation by sea is recommended but not guaranteed to work, as half of the evacuation boats were sunk. If you choose not to evacuate, you will be putting your life in extreme danger. Repeating, get out of the warned area immediately.